Do you make your way around the city using a wheelchair or scooter? Do you use a recumbent bike or bike trailer? Are you concerned about visibility when it's dark and rainy? Introducing TetraGear lights, a line of innovative safety lights that drastically improve visibility while riding outdoors. Advanced engineering and design have resulted in 2 versions of the product. The aerial version is visible from 360 degrees. It features a flexible neck that can be easily repositioned and a universal clamp that secures the light to any frame. The strip version has low-profile light strips that are simply mounted using industrial-strength Velcro. For those who want even more visibility, the Aerial Plus offers both versions in one. For some people, standard buttons are hard to use, so the light controller incorporates large feather touch switches that only need the lightest tap to operate. Having gear you can count on is always a challenge, so the lights are designed to handle the harshest conditions. They're robust, weather-resistant, and powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery. But most people don't just want a hazard light, so the lights are fun too. You can choose between any of 6 flashing modes and virtually unlimited color options.
Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Radu. Together, we helped create TetraGear, a social venture that makes innovative devices for people who use wheelchairs and scooters. We are launching this Kickstarter campaign to fund production and make these innovative lights available to everyone.
Crossing the street at night is especially dangerous to mobility aid users. We're lower to the ground, and drivers don't always see us. In 2008, I was crossing the street in my wheelchair when I was struck by a vehicle. Despite wearing reflective gear and using the crosswalk, the driver just didn't see me. It took me months to recover from my injuries, but I got the volunteers at the Tetra Society thinking, how can we make those, using mobility aids, more visible?
Over the last 5 years, Tetra's volunteers have worked closely with many wheelchair and scooter users, and we've installed over 60 prototypes for clients around Vancouver. Our dedicated team has worked tirelessly to refine and test this product, and we are ready to start manufacturing at our local facility.
We need your help to make TetraGear's lights available to everyone.
We need to raise at least $70,000 to meet the minimum quantities required for full production. If you want to get around safer and help others do so, click that green button to donate or pre-order your lights and help us make the world a brighter place.